Hi, I'm David and I'm an intern student from Lightbridge International, and today I'm with your kid from the sponsoring program and I will be asking her some questions. So first of all, I would like you to introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Rachel. I'm 12 years old. I'm in grade 6 and I study at New Life School, Poipet.
Okay, next I'm going to be asking her some questions about her studies and her daily life. So she will be speaking in Khmer and I will be translating for you. Okay, so subject ណាដែលយើងមុខវិជ្ជាណាដែលយើងបកកែហើយមុខវិជ្ជាណាដែលយើងអត់សូវបកកែយើងរៀបរាប់
ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តមុខវិជ្ជាភាសាខ្មែរហើយដល់ពេលមុខវិជ្ជាដែលខ្ញុំអត់បកកែគណិត
Okay, so the subject that she is the best at is Khmer and she's struggling a little bit with math. Okay, បន្តមកទៀតយើងបានរៀនអីថ្មីថ្មីយើងមានជំនាញណាដែលយើងទឹកតែចេះយើងទឹកតែធ្វើអី
ខ្ញុំជំនាញដែលខ្ញុំទៅតែចេះថ្មីខ្ញុំចេះបម្រើព្រះអង្គទៅបរៀនក្មេងនៅតាមភូមិ
So recently she's been helping the church with the ministry such as helping teaching the kids on Sunday, go to the villages and stuff, help teach the little kids, and she's enjoying it. She's doing it for God and helping us serve God together. And បន្តមកទៀតមានបញ្ហាសុខភាពមានជំងឺអីអត់ឬក៏យើងមានសុខភាពល្អធម្មតាទេ
សុខភាពល្អធម្មតា
Okay, so she doesn't have any health problem. She's really healthy. And បន្តមកទៀតធម្មតាចង់ធ្វើអីគេ
ធម្មតាខ្ញុំចង់ធ្វើខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់ខាងផ្នែកប៉ូលីស
ខាងអីគេ
ខាងផ្នែកប៉ូលីស
Oh, so she's interested in becoming a police woman. Okay, ចឹងចុងក្រោយមានអីចង់និយាយទៅកាន់ sponsor របស់យើងអត់
Thank you for sponsoring me.
Goodbye.
God bless you.